everything you've been taught about making animated videos is holding you back. I know that's a bold statement, but after making thousands of videos in Canva over the past few years, I can prove it. In fact, most Canva users never touch its animation tools, even though they could turn a basic design into a scroll-stopping video in minutes. And today, I'll reveal a few hidden animation features you've been missing and show you exactly how to use them to make your videos pop. Let's get started. Let's open up Canva and create a new video project. Choose Video. For this tutorial, I've already added a few original art clips to my uploads. Let's talk about transitions. Transitions help smooth out the changes between clips, making your video more polished. To add a transition, hover your mouse between the two pages where you want the transition to appear. Then click on the bottom round button. This will open the Transition Options panel. Canva offers a variety of transitions like dissolve, slide, circle wipe, and more. Simply choose the transition you want to use. Let's choose dissolve. Now it's been applied between these two pages. You can adjust the timing of it by changing the duration here. This slider controls how long the effect lasts. Let's try a few more. The slide transition can move your clip in any direction, up, down, left, or right. The circle wipe is another fun one where the next clip appears in a circular motion. Play around with these to see which you like best. How about the line wipe? Here, a line will move across the screen, wiping away the old clip and revealing the next one. Watch what happens in these. If you want more control, you can customize the transitions by clicking on the transition in the timeline. Once you see these options, you can change the direction, angle, and speed. I highly encourage you to experiment with these in your own projects. Now I'll demonstrate the match and move transition in more detail. Plus, it's also one of my favorite things in Canva. This might give you some ideas on more creative things to try in your own videos. Okay, so in this example, let's find a city street. Go to Graphics. I'll choose this one. Now let's get a motorcycle. How about this one? I'm going to animate this guy and make sure this background is moving too. So let's make the page about 9 seconds long and duplicate it. And on this second one, I'll make the background a lot bigger. I'll also make this guy bigger. Now I'll add a transition. I'll use Match and Move and choose 5 seconds. Then move the playhead back to the beginning. So here's one way to make your motorcycle move. Let's watch again. This is my static image. And here's where the movement starts. And ends. So in this purple area, this is where the match and move transition actually happens. If you have matching items in 2 pages, side by side, this particular transition will make that object move from wherever you start in the first image to wherever you end up in the second. And Canva does all the animating for you in between the two, making a magical and seamless animation. It's really pretty amazing. You should definitely try it out. Sometimes you might need an object to move in closer to you instead of side to side. So let's go to Elements and look for a road background. I like this one. Okay, let's resize it to fill the whole page. Now we need a car. Let's pick this sports car, then resize it to fit right there in the center. Eventually, I want this car to end up right here in the front. So first I'll duplicate the first page, then I'll take the second page and make the car much larger. I'll make both pages around 10 seconds long. Now I want this to enlarge until it's the size of this. So I'll show you guys a secret. If you click on Transitions, not on Add Page, but on Add Transition, choose this little button down here at the bottom. That'll open up these properties over here. As you roll over them, you'll see each of these have a different movement associated with them. The one I'll use is called Match and Move. Make it the 5 seconds. You can experiment and choose any length you want, but to make it appear smooth and to change over time, I'll make it 5 seconds. Now look down here. You see, it has changed the length of the pages a little bit because of this new transition. Let's watch it. Wow, it's almost like magic. And with Canva's help, this tiny car transformed into this full-size one here. Canva did it all. So let's watch it one more time. The transition will start right around here and end right there. And if you wanted, you could cut off the beginning and end where there's nothing happening, then delete those sections. Let me show you how to do that. So basically, you come back here. Let's watch it one more time from start to finish. Click here in the beginning. There's your playhead. That's where the video will start. As this moves, you'll see it move along the video timeline. And then, once it gets to a point where the car actually starts moving, I'll stop the video there for a second, and then let's back it up just a hair. All you have to do is put your playhead right about there, then right-click on that spot and choose Split Page, and then delete the extra. And then on this section, I'll do the same thing. I'll right-click and choose Split Page and delete the extra. Now when I play it, I'll only see the animated part. And there you go.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.